In 1997, Robert wrote a revolutionary book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The moment it was published, it shook the world of finance. Even after 26 years, the book holds the same respect and popularity it had on the first day. More than 32 million copies of this book have been sold worldwide. In this book, Robert shares the money mindset of his two fathers. One is his real father, whom he calls Poor Dad. And the other is his best friend Mike's father, whom he calls Rich Dad. Robert's own father was well educated, a professor, a man of degrees, yet financially struggling. Mike's father, on the other hand, was an 8th grade dropout, yet rich, successful, and financially wise. One day Robert saw rich kids at school and wished to be rich too. He asked his poor dad to teach him how to make money. Poor Dad replied, "I cannot teach you how to be rich, Mike's father will teach you." And that is where the real story begins. Everything Robert learned from his rich dad, he later explained in this book in simple, powerful lessons. Lesson 1: Rich don't work for money. Most people work overtime hoping to become rich one day. We spend our entire lives chasing high-paying jobs, dreaming of monthly salaries. Once we get a job, we work harder and harder, and fall into a trap called the rat race. We start depending on salary. Before payday even arrives, we already plan where to spend it. Then we buy a house on loan, a car on loan, and keep paying EMIs for years. Our entire salary gets consumed by debt. Life becomes a cycle of work, pay bills, repeat. Common people work for money, but the rich make money work for them. Lesson 2: Invest in assets, not in liabilities. Rich people don't just earn, they invest. An asset is something that brings money into your pocket. A liability takes money away from your pocket. Rich people invest in assets like heavy checkmark property that generates rental income, heavy checkmark business shares, heavy checkmark systems that earn even while they sleep. Poor people spend on liabilities like expensive car, big house with EMIs, lifestyle purchases that drain income. Assets equals money flows into you. Liabilities equals money flows out of you. Lesson 3: Learn financial literacy. To make money work for you, you must understand money. Schools teach us how to be an employee, not how to be wealthy. No one teaches how to invest, how taxes work, how to build wealth, how to grow money safely. That's why Robert says, to become rich, first improve your financial education. Saving money doesn't make you rich. Investing it does. Lesson 4: Mind your own business. Your job is not your business. Your business is what you build for yourself. Even if you have a job, you should work on something of your own on the side. Small startup, online store, service-based work, investment portfolio. McDonald's is not just a burger company, it is one of the world's largest real estate companies. Every franchise is built on land owned by the corporation. That is business intelligence. Start small, grow big. And when your business begins to earn more than your job, only then leave the 9-to-5 grind. Lesson 5: Ask better questions. Poor Dad used to say, "I can't afford it." Rich Dad would ask, "How can I afford it?" One statement closes the mind. One question opens it. When you ask how, your brain starts searching for opportunities. And opportunities eventually lead to wealth. Never say I am poor. Ask how can I become rich? Quick summary. Lesson message. 1. Rich don't work for money, make money work for you. 2. Invest in assets, avoid liabilities. 3. Learn financial literacy. Understand how money grows. 4. Build your own business. Don't depend only on jobs. 5. Ask better questions. Train your mind for wealth.